The oak trees are beginning to put leaves out. Yay! And I did not hook up a speaker today. So we'll have to see how this goes. No, we're not going that way first. Well, I guess we can. Come, 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 come. You don't want to fall off the edge. Good boy. There it is, the only puddle that's left. Good boy. Now we have a speaker hooked up. Retrieve my glove from Doodlebug. He gets to go a new direction because he has shoes on. Not yet. Not yet. What a good boy. Walk on. Walk on. Good boy. All right. Gale, working trot. It's in the mid-60s right now, but there is a cold wind out of the east. You can stop and look at it, but you can't go charging away from it. Good boy. Yes, you know about those tubs, huh? No, no. Good boy. Now let's working trot. up a rabbit over there. What a good boy. Yeah, you're used to blue ones, huh? Anybody that tells me that horses are colorblind doesn't know horses very well. Yeah, it's definitely coming out of the southeast because we just caught a dust devil going by. Walk on. My plan was to go off to the right here. Maybe we can do that, maybe we can't. We'll see. Yeah, I don't want to go in the mud. If we can avoid the mud, that would be good. You're all right. You can walk right by there. Yeah, we want to avoid the big holes. Can you walk past the tank? Hello, killdeer. Good boy. You found your way right through there. What a good boy. I really think that when I work them without blinders and drive them without blinders they understand where the cart is and how big it is and the kind of space they need to make. Rarely will those horses hit something with the cart. Good boy. Although I had a couple of geldings that thought it was an awful lot of fun to trash hose bores when they could. They didn't always, just enough. They were in a mood. What a big boy. That's a boy. Just keep moving right on. Nope. Nope. I don't want to go over there in the deep field. I want to stay over here on the road. Oops, somebody broke a light. What a good boy. Keep moving. Oh good, we have scary things ahead. I'm big on them finding scary things. For him, the scariest thing we found was the Great Pyrenees guard dogs. That's right. Yeah, we don't want to run into those, do we? Working trot. It will be interesting to see his response when we get to a road that he knows.